Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into your DeepSeek account. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is launch your DeepSeek app. After you've done that, here you can see you can add your login information. Now tap in here and add your email or your phone number that you have registered for DeepSeek. And after you have wrote your email address, and now tap in here and start writing your password of your account. After you have successfully wrote your password, now tap on this in order to agree with terms of use and privacy policy of DeepSeek. And then tap on login button. And there you go. And now you have successfully been logged into your DeepSeek account. Very easy and simple, right? If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.